Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to remove name from Snapchat notifications. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To remove your name and Snapchat notif, so the first thing you need to do is launch the Snapchat app on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to go to your profile. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Scroll down and go to privacy control section. Under the privacy control section, you can customize various notification settings, such as you can view my story, and you make sure it's set as custom, and you have to block someone, and you just have to tap on block. Now on the contact me section, make sure it's set as friends, so the contacts on your contacts list are not able to see your contacts. Now go to quick add, make sure this is disabled, and my location, make sure the ghost mode is enabled, or you can go to my friends accept and choose all of your friends. Adjust these settings according to your preferences to control who can see your name and notifications. If you want to manage notifications for specific charts, you can do so within the chart itself. Open the chart, tap on the person's name at the top, and then tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From here, go to chart settings, make sure the message is disabled. You can adjust notifications for that specific chart. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.